Okay, good morning students. Last class we discussed concept of electrical resistivity and conductivity. Now today we will discuss for drift of electrons. What we will discuss? Drift of electrons. What is the dictionary meaning of drift? Drift means slow movement. Slow movement of whom? Free electrons. So this always the drift takes place opposite to the direction of electric field. The drift always takes place opposite to the direction of electric field. Before understanding this, try to realize simple example in our daily life, drift meaning. So whenever you go to market, when you not seen traffic person, traffic policeman, you will ride the bike randomly. Okay, randomly you will ride the bike. When you not seen पुलिसमैन, ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन, जब ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन को आप नहीं देखे तो आप बाइक क्या करते हैं, रैंडमली जो है zigzag मैनर में राइड करते हैं. नॉट ऑल, सम ऑफ यू. ओके, बट मोमेंट when you seen ट्रैफिक पर्सन, यू विल गेट सम अवेयरनेस, यू विल गेट सम सीरियसनेस. आप थोड़ा जो है वहां पे प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर लेके आप क्या करते हैं, यू ड्राइव द बाइक इन ए स्ट्रेट वे. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू हैव some discipline. Moment when you see the traffic person in your mind, some discipline comes. This is what a simple example you can see in your daily life. What I said, when you not seen any traffic police person, you ride the bike in a zigzag manner. Okay, moment when you see traffic person, you follow one particular path, a particular direction follow करते हैं. The slight shift is there, slight drift is there. Slowly आप क्या करते हैं, shift होते हैं. Moment you see the traffic person and you follow one particular path. This is what common experience all of you experience in your daily life. Okay, this situation you will experience it. Now the same situation you can see here. Drift of electrons. What is the dictionary meaning of drift? Slow movement. So who has to move? The phenomenon where the electrons drift with an average drift velocity Vd opposite to the direction of electric field is called drift of electrons. And always in our many previous definitions we discussed, electrons will move in a direction of applied electric field or opposite. If this is the direction of electric field, the electrons will move opposite to the direction of electric field because the charge neutralization concept. Because electrons are negatively charged, they tends to move towards positive charge because of neutralization phenomena. Yesterday we discussed, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल की तरफ आके वो चार्ज को क्या करते हैं, न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं. वो देखिए हम. दिस मीन्स ऑलवेज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ड्रिफ्टेड, शिफ्टेड, स्लो मूवमेंट टुवर्ड्स in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. The direction of electric field is always from positive to negative. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Electrons will move from negative to positive because you know electrons are negative charged particles and they move from lower potential to higher potential. Minus to plus, that is a drifted electrons, but the direction of electric field is from plus to minus. So here drifting of electrons takes place with the drift velocity. कौन से velocity से वो shift हो रहे, opposite direction में move हो रहे, वो velocity को हम क्या बोलते हैं, drift velocity बोलते हैं. Okay, drifting means a slow movement, slow shifting of electrons in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. कौन से direction में, in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. If this is the direction of electric field, electrons will drift opposite to it. अगर ये direction इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैसे ड्रिफ्ट होते हैं, अपोजिट टू दैट. यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. इफ दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, electrons will slowly drift, slowly shift opposite to direction of electric field. That concept only we call drifting of electrons. The phenomenon where the electrons drift with an average drift velocity opposite to the direction of electric field is called drift of electrons. You can see here two मूवमेंट्स. आप यहाँ पे दो मूवमेंट्स यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन सी हाउ मेनी मूवमेंट्स हियर, टू मूवमेंट्स यू कैन सी. यस और नो? नाउ you can see two movements. One is blue color. This blue indicates flow of electrons when no electric field is there. No electric field. Now red one is there. This is the flow of electrons when electric field is there. Electric field present. This is flow of electrons. Flow of electrons. Flow of electrons. Flow of electrons. Flow of electrons when no electric field is there, that is represented by blue line. Flow of electrons when electric field is present, that is represented by red line. Okay, you can see two things here. How many things we can see? Two things. यहाँ पे देखने की बात क्या है, बहुत सिंपल है. Flow of electrons when no electric field is there, that is represented by blue color. Flow of electrons, यहाँ पे भी flow of electrons है. Here also flow of electrons in presence of electric field represented by red line. Flow of electrons in presence of electric field is represented by red color. Flow of electrons when electric field is absent, that is represented by blue color. You can see this zigzag manner. It starts from A. It starts from A like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Finally, it stops at B. Are you seeing zigzag manner? When no electric field is there, the electron follows zigzag manner. Now, what is the reason for this zigzag manner? Up to electron follow this path, straight line path, up to this point. तो यहाँ पे collision हुआ. Here we are observing one collision with neighboring atoms. Fixed positive ion, fixed ions or atoms. This electron collides with the fixed ion. That's why necessarily change its direction. अब यहाँ पे change होगी direction यहाँ पे आ गए. Okay. Next, another time collision with whom? This free electron collides with fixed ion. This free electron collides with fixed ion. Once again, it changes its direction. Next, once again, successive collisions. Because of successive collisions, every time the direction is changed. Okay. In between two collisions, the direction of follow path is what? Straight line. Before collision, the path followed by free electron is straight line. ओके, कोलिजन होने से पहले स्ट्रेट लाइन पाथ फॉलो करते. सो इट स्टार्ट जर्नी फ्रॉम हियर. आफ्टर कोलिजन चेंजेस इट्स डायरेक्शन. वंस अगेन इट कोलाइड्स विथ फिक्स्ड आयन. हु इज कोलाइडिंग विथ whom? फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन कोलाइड्स विथ पॉजिटिव आयन. कौन किसके साथ कोलाइड हो रहे हैं? फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन कोलाइड्स विथ पॉजिटिव आयन. वंस अगेन इट चेंजेस इट्स डायरेक्शन. वंस अगेन गो एंड हिट टू पॉजिटिव आयन. वंस अगेन इट चेंजेस इट्स डायरेक्शन यहाँ पे. So every time it changes the direction because of successive collisions. Free electron path has been changed because of successive collisions. Who has to change the path? Free electron changes its path because of successive collisions with fixed ion. With fixed ion. Okay. Now before collision, the path followed by free electron is straight line. Collision होने से पहले, before collision, the path followed by free electron is a straight line. Are you seeing straight line? Yes, यहाँ तक straight line है. Collision हुआ, collision होने के बाद फिर straight line. Before collision, everywhere you observe straight lines. Okay. Now it starts from A and set B. This thing happens when no electric field is there. Now you apply electric field. The direction of electric field is like this. Direction of electric field I say. The direction of electric field is like this. Okay. This is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field, and one basic concept just now I said, drifting of electron takes place always in a direction of electric field or against. Drifting of electrons takes place always against the direction of electric field. You can see this is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field. Now drifting of electrons takes place as soon as you apply the electric field opposite to it. Yes. Now this red dotted line you can see, red color line you can see. This red color line starts from A. Slight drifting you can observe it. A line is not upon blue line. This red line is not upon blue line. What is the difference between blue and red? Blue is the path followed by free electron in absence of electric field. Red is the path followed by electron in presence of electric field. Have you observed slow movement? Have you observed drifting in the path? Small shift in the path of a free electron when you applied electric field? Yes, we can observe drift in the path of electron followed in presence of electric field. Yes, it starts from A, slightly drift, okay. Yes, successive collision. Finally, you see end point. Instead of B, you see small drift there. Okay. थोड़ा ड्रिफ्ट हुए सो है, देखो बी नहीं है, बी के पास है ड्रिफ्ट हुए सो है, शिफ्ट हुए सो है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ड्रिफ्ट? स्लो शिफ्ट और स्लो मूवमेंट इन द path followed by free electron in presence of electric field. Have you observed? Slight shift you observed in the path of free electron when you applied electric field. पूरे यहाँ पे नहीं, थोड़ा drift हो गए सो है. That is because of presence of electric field. Okay. Now you can see the point B dash is here. ये B पे रुके सो नहीं है, B dash में रुके सो है. Point B dash is here. Point B dash यहाँ पे है. Point B dash. Point B dash and direction of electric field. How it is? Point B dash. Finally, free electrons followed by path is B dash. They go in this way. They go in this way, but the applied electric field is like this. Our applied electric field is like this, but B dash is like this. This means drifting of electrons takes place always against the direction of electric field. That's what you can see. A schematic picture of an electron moving from point A to another point B through repeated collisions, and straight line travels between collisions. A schematic picture of an electron moving from point A to point B through repeated collisions. 1 collision, 2 collision, 3 collision, 4 collision, 5 collision, 6 collision. Repeated collisions, बार बार repeat हो रहे. क्यों? Fixed ions रहते, उसीलिए collide होते. Because in solid conductor it is closely packed and straight line travel between collisions. मैं अभी बताए थे, collision होने से पहले the path followed by free electron is straight line. Now if an electric field is applied as shown in figure 1, ये electric field, direction of electric field कैसे है? ऐसे है. This is the direction of electric field. Now you can ask me, if you show the direction of electric field, then B dash will show this side or this side. Now the direction of electric field is like this. Now you are showing B dash this side. If you shown direction of electric field like this, then B dash you have to show this side or this side. You have to show B dash this side. Now the direction of electric field is like this. Opposite to this you shown B dash. Okay. If you are showing electric field in this way, then B dash you have to show this side. If an electric field is applied as shown in figure 1, the electron ends up at which point? B dash. Between B and B dash, have you observed a slight shift, a slight drift, slow movement, slow shift in the path followed by free electron. If an electric field is applied as shown in figure 1, the electron ends up at point B dash, that is represented by dotted lines. A slight drift in a direction opposite to the electric field. Drift भी हो सो है कौन से डायरेक्शन में? Opposite to the direction of electric field. You observe that solid line or full lines. Blue color line indicates solid lines or full lines. Blue color line is full lines and dotted one is what? Dotted one is what? In presence of electric field. Blue color in absence of electric field, path followed by free electron. Dotted line, that is what? Red color represented by what? Path followed by free electron in presence of electric field. You observe that slight drift is there. B से थोड़ा B dash drift हो गया सो देखो. B यहाँ पे आना तो थोड़ा drift हुए सो है. The drifting of electrons takes place in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. The drifting of electrons takes place in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. ये जो drifting है in a direction of electric field और against the direction of electric field. The drifting of electrons takes place in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. यहाँ पे direction of electric field है, drifting of electrons takes place opposite to it. This is the direction of electric field. ये direction of electric field है, and the drifting of electron takes place opposite to the direction of electric field. This is a basic thing always you have to remember. Now, when there is no electric field A and electrons moves from A to B through repeated collisions. When there is no electric field, the electrons follows a path from A to B, repeated collisions. 1 collision, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. When an electric field E is applied, there is a slight drift in the path of the electron in a direction opposite to the electric field E, and the electron ends up to a point B dash that is represented by dotted lines. Because of drift, ये drifting होने से क्या हो रहा? See here, because of drift what happens? Because of drift what happens? This is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field. Because of drift, there is a net flow of charges across a conductor whose area is held normal to the direction of electric field. Now एक conductor है, उसका area है, this area is held normal to the direction of electric field. Net flow of charges. Because of drifting, what happens? Because of drifting, net flow of charges, net flow of electrons takes place in a direction across whom? Area. This is area. This area is held parallel to the direction of electric field or normal. This pen indicates direction of electric field and this indicates area. This area is held parallel or normal. There will be a net flow of charges in a direction perpendicular to the direction of electric field. Because of drift, there will be a net transport of charges across any area perpendicular to electric field. A drift होने से क्या हो रहा? There will be a net flow of charges. In what direction? There is a net flow of charges through area which is held normal to the direction of electric field. Because of drift, there is a net flow of charges across area. This area held normal to the direction of electric field. This indicates direction of electric field and this is the area. This area, how it is held? This area is held normal to the direction of electric field. Through that, there is a net flow of charges. A area के जरिए charges क्या हो रहे? Flow हो रहे. There is a net flow of charges through this area which is held normal to the direction of electric field. These all things happens, that is because of drift. Because of drift, there will be a net transport of charges across any area perpendicular to electric field. Okay. Now, the definition of drift velocity of free electrons, that is denoted by Vd. What is the symbol? Vd. यहाँ पे बहुत simple है. Drift velocity of free electrons, the symbol is Vd. What is Vd? Drift velocity of electrons. The question is asked in July 2014, March 2018 for 1 marks. Define drift velocity of free electrons. How they will ask? Define drift velocity of free electrons. This definition they will ask for 1 marks. Already they asked in which years? June 2014 and March 2018 for 1 marks. Okay. वेरी सिंपल थिंग. आपके माइंड में एक कॉन्सेप्ट आना बोले तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को आप पुलिस पर्सन के साथ कंपैरिजन करना, फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ऑर्डिनरी लोगों के साथ पर्सन जो है, हम जो बाइक राइड करते हैं वो लोगों को कंपेयर करना. हम जो बाइक राइड करते हैं उसको फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बोलते हैं, पुलिस पर्सन को क्या बोलते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. व्हेन देयर इज नो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वी विल राइड द बाइक रैंडमली. व्हेन यू सी पुलिस पर्सन, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड and we are going opposite to it. So usually what happens, this is a way, okay, this is the direction of traffic person, means this is the applied electric field. वहाँ पे असर रहते हैं, ट्रैफिक पर्सन है बोले तो वहाँ पे इफेक्ट रहते हैं, वैसे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का भी इफेक्ट है. बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स moves from lower potential to higher potential. That's what again is the direction of electric field, because always the direction of electric field is from positive terminal to negative terminal now. Okay, but electrons move from negative terminal to positive terminal. That's what we are saying. Electrons drifted in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. अगर ट्रैफिक पर्सन ऐसे ठहरे बोले तो जो नेक्स्ट जो भी ट्रैफिक रहते हैं, जो भी बाइक चलाने वाले रहते हैं, वो ऐसे आते हैं. ट्रैफिक पर्सन ऐसे चल, ट्रैफिक मैन is moving in this direction, whoever ride the bike they will come in this direction. That's what we are saying. This concept you have to remember. Drift velocity of free electrons. What is the symbol? Vd. What is meant by Vd? Drift velocity of the free electrons. Okay. How to understand? Very, very simple. The average velocity with which electrons are moving, okay, in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. This point you have to remember. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which the free electrons in a conductor gets drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery under the effect of applied electric field. बहुत simple है. Drift बोले तो slow movement. What is the dictionary meaning of drift? Slow movement. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity. Why every time we are taking average velocity? Because we don't have 1 electron, 2 electron, we have lakhs of electrons. That's why it is necessary to consider average velocity. We have V1, V2, V3, it's a lakhs of velocity hai. That's why we are considering average velocity. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which the free electrons in a conductor gets drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery under the effect of applied electric field. बहुत simple है. Listen here, the direction of electric field. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, okay. This is one conductor, fine, and this is the I. Now this is the direction of electric field and this is the direction of Vd, okay. This is the direction of Vd. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, and this is the direction of Vd. Drift velocity. What is the drift velocity? Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity. Why we are using the word average? Because free electrons are many. That's why better we have to use the word average velocity with which free electrons in a conductor gets drifted towards. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कौन से टर्मिनल की तरफ जा रहे हैं? पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी की तरफ जा रहे हैं अंडर द इफेक्ट ऑफ अप्लाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. हाउ यू गॉट दिस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? बिकॉज वन एंड ऑफ द कंडक्टर इज मेंटेन्ड एट पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, अनदर एंड इज मेंटेन्ड एट नेगेटिव टर्मिनल. वन एंड पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल में है, one end is maintained at positive terminal, another end is maintained at negative terminal. Because of this we have electric field, and the direction of electric field is from positive to negative side. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative side, but when you see the direction of drift velocity, that is from negative to positive side. That's what we are saying. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which the free electrons in a conductor gets drifted towards the free electrons are get drifted towards the get slow movement towards the positive terminal of the battery under the effect of applied electric field. These all things occur, that is because of applied electric field. किसके असर से हो रहे हैं? Under the influence of applied electric field. Because who influences here? ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंस करे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को, ऐसा जाओ बोल के इन्फ्लुएंस करने वाले कौन है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैसे है? बिकॉज टू एंड्स ऑफ द कंडक्टर वी आर कनेक्टेड बाय ए बैटरी. Two ends of the conductor we are connected by a battery under the effect of applied electric field. That point is very very important. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which free electrons in a conductor drifted towards positive terminal of the battery under the effect of applied electric field. Okay, this thing you try to understand. This is conductor, one end is connected to positive terminal, another end is connected to negative terminal. Because of that you set up an electric field. ऐसा करने से आप क्या करते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेटअप करते हैं, and you observe that direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Okay, now what happens? Electrons, this is sets up an electric field. Because of this existing electric field, electrons drifted towards positive terminal. Electrons किसके तरफ ड्रिफ्ट हो रहे हैं? Electron drifted towards positive terminal of the battery under the effect of electric field. ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की वजह से, under the influence of electric field, because of influence of electric field, उसके असर से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या हो रहे हैं? पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल के साथ ड्रिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. वो जो भी एवरेज वेलोसिटी रहता है, that average velocity only we call drift velocity. Very simple thing, you can see the definition. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which the free electrons in a conductor gets drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery under the effect of electric field. This is the definition of drift velocity. Tomorrow we will go for derivation for drift velocity. Tomorrow we will go for derivation of drift velocity. That is 3 marks derivation. How many marks derivation? There is a 3 marks derivation for drift velocity. Many derivations are there. All are important because this is a chapter which carries 13 marks, highest marks. एक चैप्टर को 13 मार्क्स है, उसके डेरिवेशंस बहुत सारे हैं और न्यूमेरिकल्स में. ओवरऑल दिस चैप्टर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज वेरी इजी व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग डे टू डे. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इजी व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग डे टू डे. When you keeping the things pending, later you feel very very difficult, and when class starts you will not repeat all those things. Remember yourself. Chapter number 1, chapter number 2, and whatever present chapter number 3 is there, these all things we will not repeat whenever regular classes are started. आप समझ रहे होंगे, रेगुलर क्लास स्टार्ट होने के बाद ये सब रिपीट करते हैं. इवन दो वी विश टू रिपीट इट, बिकॉज ऑफ शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम वी आर अनेबल टू रिपीट इट. हमारे दिल में है रिपीट करना बोल के, लेकिन शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम रहते, वैसे सिचुएशंस नहीं रहते. सिचुएशंस विल नॉट परमिट टू रिपीट अस. That's why keep this thing in your mind perfectly. We will not repeat all those things. You read you read daily and you observe the videos carefully twice, thrice daily. Day to day आप देखना, वो पेंडिंग रखे तो वो आप ही responsible है. Okay. Finally, what I want to say, day to day you have to see it. Okay. You have any problem later, you have any doubts, you will clarify it. But everything when you said repeat it is not at all possible because of shortage of time. आपको मालूम है वक्त की कमी रहता वहाँ पे, और पार्ट 2 भी कंपेयर करना रहते हैं, न्यूमेरिकल्स रहते, हमारे को वहाँ पे वक्त बहुत कम पड़ता, वहाँ पे रिपीट करने को हमारे को चांस नहीं है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम. दैट्स व्हाई यू बी सीरियस. डे टू डे हाउ टू सी इट. अगर नहीं देखे बोले तो जो है आपको ये प्रॉब्लम जो है क्रिएट होते हैं. डे टू डे हाउ टू सी इट. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन मेक व्हाट्सअप फॉर मी. अगर आपको कुछ ये डाउट्स रहते, क्वेश्चंस रहते, यू कैन पुट ऑन व्हाट्सअप. ओके, देयर आई विल क्लैरिफाई इट. एवरीथिंग आई सेड मेनी टाइम्स, सेम थिंग इज सेड. So this is all about drift of electrons concept, and this is the definition of drift velocity. In coming class we will go for derivation of drift velocity, VD. Okay, fine. You see once again all the things.